Yeah, so I just did level 5, 4, and 3 at TNT after doing levels 1 and 2 about 5 months ago. And holy shit, what an experience. Um, Level 5 was the ego workshop. It was pretty brutal, not pleasant, but I cannot think of any other way to be confronted in such a powerful way with, um, yeah, how my loved ones view me and the areas of my life in which I can still improve. Then we had level 4, transmission training, and I thought it would be about something totally different, so I was a bit surprised. But I learned about the power of presence and how you can bring presence into interactions, but also how my ego can get in the way, and that prayer, like surrendering to a higher power, can be a very powerful way to um, get beyond the ego. And I never realized that. Like, I have a Christian upbringing. My father was a preacher, but I'm kind of agnostic, skeptic. But this really made me realize, like, yes, this is fucking powerful. And like tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, I have a very stressful work thing. I'm going to use that, and I'm not worried because of that. Um, yeah. What's more, the final level, level 3, that was well, I just came out of it. Um, I don't know what's left, right, front, center, up or down. All I know is that was an amazing roller coaster where I really learned the power of service, but also to live out all of the sexual fantasies. And to be honest, I found it most beautiful to serve others and to see others. My own fantasy, well, that was not for me the most important thing, but for other people it was like a huge thing, like um, dealing with trauma or dealing with some repressed aspects of themselves. um, yeah, so that was in 2 days. I did not know so much could fit into it, um, but yeah, here we are. So if you did level 1 and 2, um, also I would really recommend to you to do level 5, 4 and 3 also together. But please don't plan 2 intense work days afterwards, because I'm not sure how that's going to go. Maybe I will go crazy. Who knows? Plan some time after that. Okay. See you later.